currently involved in the training and development area within NCC. I'm assisting in the compiling of training schedules. So it's essentially training that the company would offer internally, and then later on accredited training for interns or other environmental companies. And how that ties in with the issues within South Africa. Training and development is at the forefront, I believe, and if we are able to raise awareness and obviously train people properly in the field, then we're definitely heading in the right direction in terms of preserving what we have for now and for future. 3 of my aims are to educate, facilitate and enable. Mentoring forms part of that process, and if proper guidance is given, the person or people involved in growth is able to achieve their goals successfully and also make a real impact within the biodiversity field. So yes, it helps to strengthen, it helps to facilitate their growth as well. One of my strengths are connectedness, deliberative is another. So the fact that I'm able to connect well with people and the fact that I am able to step outside situations and guide from, not from a distance, but give objective input. There's obviously a lot that goes into mentoring, but the fact that I'm able to guide young minds, again my experience with that as well, I think that plays a major role in having the experience and of course having the expertise of where to guide them to. But through this orientation I could see that training is actually in the forefront, and that if you don't have the foundation right, it's very difficult to build careers in conservation. And a lot of young people that I know of, they don't see the sense in studying conservation or in preserving our biodiversity. So it's not just about convincing them, but also about the understanding of why conservation is important. So something that's very deeply rooted, that through my experiences I've discovered. Firstly, I aim to be NCC's training facilitator. So that would be the person that would offer training internally and externally as well, accredited and informal training. And then I would like to have my own career consultancy business where I'm able to assist young people who are aspiring to be nature conservators, and then also to assist with job placements for them. It might sound a little weird, but initially it was the church. We used to often go on field excursions, so that's where it began. And then of course with the learnership that I completed with Cape Nature, that sparked the interest as well. And then finally with the company I'm currently with, NCC, they had greatly inspired me to not only continue my study in the field, but also broaden my understanding of how and why biodiversity preservation is vital. I applied for the GreenMatter award or fellowship award because I saw a fantastic opportunity for A, networking with the fellows, and then of course with the broader biodiversity community, and B, I saw a fantastic opportunity for support, career support within GreenMatters, and then also exposure of course. And then thirdly, obviously for the award would then allow me to have access for furthering my studies. The GreenMatter Fellowship offers amazing support. For the 2 days that we partook in the orientation, I could see that the GreenMatter Fellowship offers the peer support, and then of course, as I previously said, within the greater biodiversity community. So the support is there, the opportunity for networking is there, the knowledge and the skills that are shared between the peers, that is there as well. This has been a fantastic opportunity. I know it's initial stages, but I can already see the great benefit that it's going to make a difference, not only in my life, but in other people that I will be involved with for the next few months. Firstly, training and development within the company I'm working with, and just the fact that it is training. It's not just for graduates. It'll also be for aspiring nature conservators, and then further aspiring biodiversity professionals. So in that way, that'll be giving back to the community, because it's training and it's constant awareness programs that we'll be running as well.